Donna, Ben, this is a very interesting case. It's an interesting case because it comes down to a consumer rights issue. You say, although the van's problems were brought to your attention within the statutory 30-day period, you are entitled to mitigate her problems. In other words, you as a seller, by law, have to be given a go to repair things. That's your first reply in law. The second reply in law you have is to say that the 30-day period started not from when she took possession of the vehicle, but from when she first handed you over some money for you to go and customise the vehicle. I have to look at what the plain meaning of the legislation is. Do you understand?
I do.
I am perfectly confident, having looked at the case law and taking a plain text meaning of what the legislation says, I am afraid, sir, that you are thoroughly in the wrong. Now, that doesn't mean that you've acted in bad faith here. I can see why you've taken that view after having gone to some effort to repair and customise this van. However, the legislation is quite clear that it is only from the point of delivery or possession of the goods that the 30-day period starts running and somebody has the opportunity to change their mind. Now, I have to say, you're very lucky, madam. Had he not been a professional seller and somebody that was simply selling these things online, you would not be covered by this Act. Or it would be difficult for you to prove you were covered by this Act, and the chances are it might buyer beware.
Yes.
In which case, you would get nothing. But it seems to me that you notified him of the problem, which you couldn't reasonably have been aware of before, within the time frame, and you offered to give it back to him within the time frame just. In those circumstances, as a matter of law, you are entitled to a full refund. This court therefore awards you the statutory maximum of £5,000. However, I want to be absolutely clear. There is a caveat. You do not win prizes in my court. What I can do, bearing in mind the nature of this court, is offer a very clear caveat to that award. And that's this. In other words, conditions on that award. That award will not be available to you until and unless the camper van is returned to Ben. Understood?
Yes.
The award of this court, £5,000.
Donna won her case and was awarded the court maximum of £5,000.